huh, it's okay to drop your phone. Well, they do say go big and go home. Before we find out if the phone survived, this is what you get in the kit. The case in 2 parts. You get your little belt clip if you're into that kind of thing, and your screen protectors and wipes. But this is the case that comes in 2 parts. So on the back you have your ring that is adaptable for all your MagSafe accessories, and you also have this wonderful little hinge, which is great for doing that kind of thing. Love that. It is also made of 100% recyclable material and has military grade protection. So if this is the type of case you want to protect your beloved iPhone 15 Pro or whatever phone you have, then you can go to getcaseborne.com and use code JOSH10 for 10% off. So it's nice to know with Caseborne, your phone can survive falls like this. Oh, and that's the magic of Caseborne, capable of surviving drops over 200 feet. Hi. We're fine. There's not a cop. It's totally a cop, but we're fine.